How many times have you sat down to work, homework, studying, your side hustle, telling yourself just one quick scroll, and suddenly an hour is gone, and you've done nothing? That's not laziness. It's 3 hidden habits that are silently killing your focus. Habit 1. Multitasking. 27 Chrome tabs don't make you productive. They make you a clown juggling flaming swords. Neuroscientists call it context switching, and it steals hours from your day. Fix it with the single task rule. 1 task, 25 minutes, no excuses. Habit 2. Morning dopamine. Grabbing your phone first thing teaches your brain to crave instant gratification all day. Instead, spend the first 30 minutes walking, journaling, or reading. Habit 3. Your environment. If your desk is chaos and your phone keeps buzzing, your brain doesn't stand a chance. Build a small distraction-free focus zone and put your phone in another room. Kill these 3 habits, and your focus won't just improve, it'll skyrocket. So tell me, which one are you guilty of the most?